In today's fast-paced world, finding time for exercise can be a challenge, but incorporating basic home exercises into your routine can significantly enhance your health. The beauty of exercising at home lies in its convenience. No commuting, no gym fees, and the ability to work out in your own space. By focusing on a few fundamental movements, anyone can achieve better health and well-being without the need for fancy equipment. Begin with bodyweight exercises that target major muscle groups. Squats are an excellent foundation, engaging your thighs, glutes, and core. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, bend your knees, and lower your body as if you're sitting in a chair. Aim for 3 sets of 10 repetitions, ensuring to keep your back straight and chest lifted as you descend. This movement encourages strength development and improves flexibility, making it a staple in your home workout routine. Next, push-ups serve as an effective upper body workout that strengthens your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Start in a plank position, keeping your body straight from head to heels. Lower yourself until your chest nearly touches the ground, then push back up. If traditional push-ups feel daunting, consider modifying them by resting on your knees. Gradually increase your repetitions to build endurance and power. Completing 3 sets of 8 to 12 can provide substantial benefits and foster confidence in your abilities. Don't overlook core exercises such as planks. This exercise activates multiple muscle groups, fostering stability and strength throughout your torso. Begin by lying face down, resting on your forearms and toes. Lift your body so that only your forearms and toes touch the floor, ensuring your body forms a straight line. Hold this position for 20 to 60 seconds, focusing on your breathing. Planking can be varied with side planks to engage your obliques, promising comprehensive core development. Finally, incorporate stretching and flexibility exercises to enhance your range of motion and alleviate tension. Simple stretches like reaching for your toes, side bends, and neck rotations can help your muscles recover and stay flexible. Aim to dedicate a few minutes at the end of your workout to stretching, fostering a sense of calm and rejuvenation, as well as preparing your body for the next exercise session. By integrating these basic exercises into your daily routine, you can cultivate a healthier lifestyle right from the comfort of your home. That's the essence of fitness, man. It's not about perfection, but commitment to an active, balanced life.